Ya, sanibona. Umongameli lo. Njengoba bengishila ngithi yebo uSiphiwe wakaMaduma. Mfowethu, nobani namhlanje?
Onojabu imember yala emphakathini.
Ujabu wakabani isibongo?
NakaNkabinde.
Awunkabinde mfowethu. Alright, mfowami ngicela ungitshele la. Yini into ekwenza ufuna ukujoina iSDP?
Into engenza ngifuna ujoin SDP yabona indawo ethi beyingcolile isinukela kabi sigibela abateksi bekunuka la so izenzela yona ngizandla zayo so nami ngiyathanda ukubona community ethi isikunda so why ngenza ukuthi ngijoin iSDP.
Good evening. Ngikhuluma nobani today?
Khuluma noShedrack wakaSpenyane who is a pioneer and part of the National Coordinating Committee
Okay.
of the Service Delivery Party.
Okay. So can you tell us what is SDP?
We are a movement of pioneers or people that have decided to come together, and we are of diverse society of South Africa. We are united by a common vision. So the vision of seeing service delivery happening in different municipalities. We are not only focusing in one province, but now we have decided that we are going to be a party of national contestation in terms of elections. So we are practical about what we are saying. We are an organization that is going to make sure that communities are centered. We are community based.
Sanibonani. This is your host uSiphiwe Maduma. Sawubona mama.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngikhuluma nobani igama?
uPascaline owaziwa ngoBullet Mkabayi kaJama Mazibuko.
Mkabayi. Mkabayi he badume ngesibhamu nawe mhlambe.
Hayi lutho. Nawe uyibonela nje.
Usesibkabayi sowaphi?
Ngihlala ngiseWitbank and I'm serving in the National Coordinating Committee of the SDP. I serve as a spokesperson.
Wena he spokesperson wala ekhaya. Ewitbank usuke what bani?
So what 11.
What 11. Manje usitsheleke ngoba in most cases ama issues we service ayafana ngokuhlukana kweindawo. Let's take nje indaba yama pothole, ibhedlela, iservice ezibhedlela, indaba yamanzi. Manje we are facing a major critical water issue. So ngokubona kwakho iSDP will it be able to assist exsolveni ingxenye yalezo zinto sesibala indlela, izibhedlela, amanzi, ugesi ngoba ugesi load shedding ihlupha yonke indawo.
You see ama-town afana njengobo Witbank, ama-town are surrounded by power stations and ama-mine. So now in one of our arguments or the conversation that we should be having now is why are we not having a constant electricity supply? Then the answer would tell you bazothi no ilahle liyaphela. You need to introduce a new independent power producers, which is green energy. You need clean energy because the coal that is being used by Eskom, it's the most dirtiest coal. It's a low-grade coal. Now, in South Africa, siyazi ukuthi in the continent, iyona any nuclear power station in Cape Town. That means we are expert when it comes to nuclear power station. So we are saying as SDP, let's have a mixed energy. Let's have a coal use electricity or energy and have a nuclear. And seeing available power station because it's going to contribute a lot in unemployment. But in nuclear power, inalokunika ukuthi ibe a constant and guaranteed power. Yes, you will not suffer from load shedding or load reduction. But okukhulu ke ukuthi ke kwindawo lezi ezifanako nje konke nje nabo govern, why would electricity idure kangaka? Ekubeni yithina la ilahle liphuma kuthina igezi pheko yithi. So why are we having so much, why are we paying so much tariffs, electricity tariffs? And then the answer iyakutshela ukuthi the capitalists are at play.
Service Delivery Party, the aim is not to rule but to serve. Sawubona bhuti, sikhuluma noba namhlanje?
Ukhuluma noSihle Mabhena mama, chairperson ye-SDP Youth Desk.
Okay, Sihle Mabhena. So as a chairperson of a youth desk, yini eseniyenzile for this time being?
Okwamanje tisafocus kuyikhlela itolo lezizala around because youth eningi icala ama businesses but umasipala yabaqindezela. So uyabavala, so silwele ukuthi ngabe uvala itolo zabantu abamnyama avale nezamandini. And then busy senza ama cleaning campaigns senzele ukuthi khona kuba nespace ukuthi abantu youth ngakhona ukwenza amakhawashi, ama park, even noma kungasi umsebenzi oright but at least kuzoba na something because abantu bayahlupheka bakhona ukuthola ama basic needs, into zokugeza, ukudla, kudoma. So kuningi sisazokwenza, sisazoya kamasipala because kunama budgets aphuma every month for youth, for ama youth programs but siyabona. So sifuna ukwenza ama youth programs inspire youth ukuthi ikhona ukusizana babuild economy yabo babodwa, ma social markets because umuntu masenza social market if soba nama stores ayi10 kusho ukuthi 20 abantu bazolala banemali yokudla. So into sisafuna ukuzenza lezo for manje but ngaphezulu kwaloko sifuna uclean ikasi lethu lingcolile, fail blind. So sifuna uclean ikasi so that sokhona uku-attracta abantu ukuthi bakhona ukusivakashela ngoba basivakashela and then ama local businesses azokhona ukuba nemali.
Sanibona, uSiphiwe wakaMaduma la. Nginosisi la, qala ukumnika ithuba ke azichaze. Mama sawubona, usisi ubani?
Sanibonani, usisi uLebogang Mogoshi, i-coordinator yabo mama e-SDP.
Niyezwa kangithi umphathi wembokodo ke lo. Wathinta abafazi. Wathinta imbokodo, ngithi niyazi. Mama usitshela ke njengo coordinator wabo mama yini ofisa ukuyibona yenzeka empilweni zabo mama?
Wow, umbuzo omuhle ngiyabonga. Engifisa ukubona kwenzeka kubo mama, sifuna uku-empower abo mama. Abo mama ababe nama training abazowayenza ukuthi bakhona ukuthuthuka emphakathini, ababe nemisebenzi abazokhona ukuzenzela yona ukuthi abo mama bathuthuke.
Niyezwa ke uma sikhuluma nge-empowerment sikhuluma ngamanye ama-factors enza ukuthi i-GBV idrop ngoba abomama nosesi bethu bahlukunyezwa ngoba abasebenzi. Ngakho ke iyo lento edala ukuthi kugcine kwenze njani kunencindezi. Usesi la i-coordinator yabomama for SDP uthi ufisa kakhulu ukubona ukuthi abomama babe nemishini yabo bayithungele, abomama kwenziwa ama short course ba-empower nabo bakhona ukusebenza. Ngakho ke sesi yini into ongayitshela abomama abafisayo ukuba yingxenye yalohlelo ofisa ukulenza?
Engingakusho ukuthi bomama zinenge izinto esingazenza emphakathini. Ene ukuvilapha akusenzeli next akusiletheli umphumela. So ngumama nami nguLebogang inelami ibusiness okuyilihlo laseChaba Construction. Ngithi abomama asukumeni sizakheleni ilizwe lethu ngiyabonga.
Sawubona baba, ngicela sikhuluma noba namhlanje?
Ukhuluma noPatrick Maphele Bhakaqani.
Okay, Patrick, ngicela usitshela ukuthi indaba ujoyine iSDP.
Sisiwami into ngokutshela yona i1 ukuthi ndijoyine iSDP kungoba ngiyabona ukuthi imisebenzi eyenzekayo from ukuthi kuma organization esuka kuyo or else ngingatsho mina ngithi organization engisuka kuyo akumuntu osuka kule organization ongena kwenye organization but kuthema kuvela le nhlangano yavela ngayijonga ngayibona through social media. There is no one mina oke wafika kimi wangibiza ukuthi ngizojoin inhlangano but ngiyibonile for myself through imedia ukuthi enjani, then ndazenzele yami research yokuthi why should ngijoin le nhlangano. One, let me answer the first question of yourself ukuthi uma ithi service delivery party, which means izoserve abantu the community, of which ngiyayi-understand and now uyayi-understand, everybody uyayi-understand ukuthi i-organization yaseparliament isebenzele i-service delivery. wonke lama organization aseparliament bakhuluma provincially whatsoever kwi-region bakhuluma nge-service delivery, but this service delivery part iqalile ukuseva abantu. Uma unobheka phambi kwakho okanye ubheka emva kwakho, still into esiyifunayo nje kubuthwa kadoti kuqashwa kwabantu kukulungiswa imigaqo, of which it speak of itself ukuthi yi-service delivery. That is why ngibona ukuthi nami mangengene kule nhlangano ngiyijoyina ukwenzela uba ngincede umphakathi as usual ngiqhela ukwenza.
Sanibona, igama lami uNomfundo Zulu. Namhlanje ngizo-interviewa imember ye-SDP. Sawubona baba.
Yebo, sawubona sisi.
Ninjani?
Khona sisi unjani wena?
Siyaphila. Ngokubuza baba, indaba ujoyine i-service delivery party.
Ingxaki yami mama ndihlala apha extension 22. Iward 9 enkanini. Ingxaki apha udoti soulahla kule ndawo esikuyo. Ngenxa uthini ilori ayingeni. Ingene apha phakathi izothatha udoti. Ithi xa ingena kanye okanye after 2 months ize izothatha kwelethi sibe siyibona kwamanye amasayidi iyangena, andiyazi bayenziwa into nonto leyo. Akekho umuntu obakhona futhi nama meeting awekho ukuthi ke siyithethe lento ukuthi intoni kwanye sibuzane siquestionane sizodwa ukuthi into nedala kube so.
Okay, sabanga.
City so service delivery, we must demand free electricity on the basis that ilahle liwamba la ekhaya nokuthi igezi iphekwa la ekhaya. So yileyo ke iprogram esiphethe which it will start the campaign yakhona now just after our official launch. Manje saka launch. Saka launch manje siseza.
Kithi sesekuncane besikubona la.
Kuncane kakhulu. Sifuna ukugqola i-stadium but asifuni ukugqola i-stadium nje ngokuthi abantu babeke ethembeni. Sifuna ukuthi sigqola i-stadium kube kune program esiyenzayo. And we are saying that as the SDP akumelanga abantu basendaweni yakithi bangasebenzi. Ekubeni kunama power stations, kunama mines, kunabo saso kube nama engagement ukuthi abantu basemakhaya baqasheke. Not only that, sifuna nokugqugquzela abantu ukuthi baqale bavula ama cooperatives, abantu bakhona nokuthi la ekhaya ngazi la govern what is the clothing brand do you have?
Mhlambe njengani PPE or ama local brands.
Local brands.
Ama local brands akhona maningi. Yeah, there
now,
are plenty.
The question that we must ask ourselves, where are you buying those brands?
We buy them strictly from the owners. They are not kuma retails. They don't have
That's
even places whereby we know ukuthi mhlambe mawuye Mr Price ufika uyithola, yabo.
Now, policy there must be 90% local content in each and every shop. Meaning that from your detergent, from everything in retail, we should be able to get EVAPs at Mr. Price, you know, what detergent, maybe Shabangu detergent, khona ukuyithola na Shoprite, laba bathengisa ama-ice of amanzi siwathole Shoprite, laba bayenza ama-tissue and nappies, so khona ukwathola futhi kuma-supermarkets amakhulu. Yes. So we are saying that they must form those things and we must ensure that we confront the retailers. Why are they not purchasing from local? Because it cannot be correct with kuyosuka amanzi abuye Joburg.
Make sense.
It doesn't make sense. So we need to go to lama industries wonke siwahlasele kodwa siwahlaseli kabi. Siwahlasela ngokomthetho and nokuthi ipolice is backing us up. Yes.
Okay, to make ama emphasis kule point lakho, I think another thing which must be in place ukuthi abantu must be given information because abantu esikhathini esiningi they think opportunities are there kanti they don't have the relevant information as much as the compliance. Just as you are stating ukuthi locally whenever there's a shop a operator lapho 90% of the staff found esitolo leso funa kube locally produced. Shooting magnet builders, bricks must be bought from local manufacturers. You understand?
Yes.
But the thing if I see enforce nagini nenzitina compliance. They must be SAP compliant ukuze bazokhona ukusupport. Ngakho ke ngizwila ngithi nani service delivery team. So for further information sondolani kuthina, come and join my pioneers. Thina umsebenzi wethu ukuniserva sibuye senzeni sininike ulwazi. Amazwi akho ukugcina mama.
The aim is not to rule, but to serve. Service delivery to the people.
So, how is SDP different from other parties?
The service delivery party is different because we are a godly driven political party where we are taking into consideration that in different communities we've got different people who are leading. So as a godly driven political party, we've got faith-based organizations that we are consulting with on daily basis on the things that we need to do, on the programs that we need to do. We also have ubukhosi, because sisendaweni zamakhosi in Mpumalanga, you've got indawo zamakhosi all over the country, KZN, wherever you go kunamakhosi. But then to ukuthi ubukhosi abubi considered uma ngabe i-government has to take decisions. So Tina, that's what will make us to be different. We are consulting. We are not only taking decisions because we want to take decisions, but we will sit down and we consult with different people, different stakeholders, and tell them, no, Tina, this is what we are doing. This is how we are going to be doing things, and this is what we expect from them. So that now, my advice is, how can we best lead? How can we best rule? But Tina, we are not about ruling. But we are about serving, because once you say you want to rule, it becomes an issue, because ruling you don't listen to the next person, you don't listen to abanye abantu what is it that they are saying. But when you serve diligently and you serve with understanding and humanity, because at the end of the day abantu kumele babe respected, abantu kumele achieve izinto abazidingayo. So that is why we are serving them. And we are not ruling.
Yini into ofisa ukuyibona i-SDP party iyenza la emphakathini?
Into engifuna ukuyibona i-SDP party la emphakathini ukuthi isize ngama drugs njengoba sigcwele ama drugs la eMbalenhle, and futhi isize na ukuthi abafowethu abadinga scholarship khona ba applyela, isize futhi nokuthi abantu abasha bathola ikills zokusebenza. Yiloko nje ngifuna kakhulu nge-SDP itsenzele kona.
Alright. Bafowethu nizweleke nani? Indaba yentsha yokuthi intsha ayisebenzi, intsha idinga ama opportunities, into wonke umuntu akhala ngayo. Yingakho ngithanda ukuthi ishumi lakudala alithengi, belithenga le ngo94 kodwa ngo2026 alisekho relevant. Ngakho ke asithathe leli lisha siseve umphakathi. Mfowami wakaNkabinde, ngiyabonga mfowethu dako lapho.
So as a youth, why you think kumele ijoin i-service delivery party?
Ankinga yalama ama political party ukuthi bahlale bane strategy siwani, so ukuthi ubani wasilwela. So i-service delivery party asinge history country ukuthi ubani ngabe sine apartheid ngabe sina sekho lapha. I-service delivery party iya ngento abantu abazidinga manje. So if youth idinga umsebenzi manje, sifuna umsebenzi manje ngendlela etholakala ngayo manje. Asiyo memeza ukuthi Mandela wasilwele, yibo basilwela, siyabahlonipha, but thina manje siphathi efocus entweni ezenzakala manje, hayi ukuthi sibuya.
Ukubuza ukuthi njengoba nje kwi-SDP yini ekwenze ushiye le inhlangano obukuyona weza kwi-SDP, iluphi ushintsho obona ukuthi izoletha?
Ake ngikuphendule straight lo mbuzo wakho sisi. Imba ngiyoba ngishiye inhlangano, ngishiye ngama empty promises.
Okay.
And then abantu bayakwazi ungibuza mina as a leadership. Uma uphakathi enhlanganweni abantu bayakujonga bakubona ukuthi uyi-part and parcel of this organization. Now into eyenzekayo uma uyi-part and parcel of that organization ubukuyo, they understand they have a right as a community to come at your household and then bakubuza ukuthi why udoti ungathuthu. Then you go forward and then ubuze kubaphathi ukuthi why kusenzeka so. At the end of the day wena uceda ungenalo iqiniso kubahlali ohlala nabo ukuthi why namhlanje udoti ungathuthwanga, why istrato sinjeni, ngoba into eyenzekayo ukuze uthi apha ulungiselela umgaqo kulezi istrato zinedaka ulungiselelwa ngokuthi kushone umuntu. Once kwashona umuntu and then you go to municipality and then you report, ufika uthelelwe lo nhlabathi. Mawuthelelwe lo nhlabathi ugciniwe ukubona. So why should kuze kufa umuntu kube ne service delivery estratweni SE1? That is my question. And then abantu bayabuya babuze kuwe as a leadership ukuthi kutheni sikubona ugcoka iskipa esiso sokuthi why kungenzeki u1 2 3. Uyabona manje uphela wena uba yitarget phansi kweumbrella yenhlangano. ukuthi why kungenzeki lokho uyayibona because umuntu omdala unelungelo lokubuza uma ugcoka iskipa athi tata ngicela ukubona bhuti ngicela ukubona sisi ngijwayele ukubona why should kungenzeki 1 2 3 awukwazi ukuphendula when usiya phambili ufika phambili awuyithola ama answers there are so many people abakhalayo la you understand abahlali now as a service delivery part mina ngifuna ucontributor phansi kwalonto ukuthi he's not inhlangano le ayikho for ukurula you understand it's about to serve of which yiyo lento mina ngiyifunayo not ukurula uyeke izikhundla uyeke into national whatsoever but the only thing ngifuna le community sihlala kuyo ibe phansi kwendlela ebambeneyo eservayo that is why kulwela lonto that is why ke mina ngijoyine le nhlangano ngoba ngifuna ukuthi someday umuntu athi mayingibuza ukuthi why do I regret ukuthi ngishiye inhlangano yami then I will tell him or her no why because ngiyayibona i-delivery ikhona iyenzeka nami kulo inhlangano ngizaba nocindezelelo kwi-leadership yayo yokuthi why ngijoyinele inhlangano ndijoyinele u1 2 3 there is nothing more about this about ukujoyina le nhlangano the only thing engiyijoyinele inhlangano to serve our community kuphela sisi
okay
Izweleke nani balalela ngithi emakhaya babekile abahlali abekile amalunga and ukhumbule ukuthi namuhla i14 zika February fanele ngabe nathi sihlele emasofeni doing ama cuddles kodwa ngoba sinothando for umphakathi ingako sila eWard 8 eWard 9 nase 131 sizokwenzani sizoseva phela ngithi sizonklinela ukukhombisa ukuthi la ekhaya asiruli senzani siyaseva ke so from your hosts uSiphiwe Maduma
noMfundo Zulu
sithi thina nizwele and asedanga lutho niziboneleni nanizwele bayikhulumela ngithi kodwa nimbonile lo bejive that's my favorite ngakho ke up until next time ne
the aim is not to rule but to serve
Tako yes